Okay, this video here is just to show you how to replace a broken mirror. Just like on the mirror of the car on the Odyssey 2005 touring. So that's the old mirror we got because it was broken from these sides here, so it couldn't be attached properly, and also this part here down is broken. Just attachment table. So we got the new mirror here. So what we need to do is just to replace this new mirror. So got it through the internet. We got it from Aurora, Ontario. I received it in the box. It's okay. Let me remove this and I'll get back to you. Now because we have this part here, so we need to remove the wires from here. From this one here. So deattach this part to the unit. Because we have a new one. Okay, let me deattach it and get back to you guys. Now deattaching it works really easy. It's like this. So after trying several tries, what I realized is that you press this button and then you pull it from this side up and then it opens. Yeah, now that's it. It's gone. So here now. Okay. So this is the old part. So what we need to do is just attach the new one here. So what we need to do is attach this one. So at the first we have to remove this. We have to open this. I'm gonna attach this and then just cover that. Let's see. What has been done is I just removed this one here. And I just attach the remaining part directly from the back and put this one in here, and we need another one to put here and this one, and then attach this part here, and then after we do that we just cover it with this one. The process basically done. So we give it a try and get back to you. Make sure you tie it up so that it doesn't fall down. This one, so the part we attached it easily. Just put it inside and that's it. If you want to remove it, you just press this button here and you take it out easily. Easily comes out. So we can like that. Attach it. That's it. And then we tighten up this. Make sure this tightened up properly. That's it. Get it ready. Get it. Just want to make sure one more time. Okay. Yeah, what we need to do is this part here. That's the last part. Just try to attach it here. So this one here inside goes. See that part? It should go in that hole. You don't need to be tough on it. Yes, you can do it slowly, so you don't hurt your car. Yep. Let's see. Okay. Beautiful. It's done. It's ready. Beautiful. It's ready. So, basically what we did is we removed the old mirror, which is like this. So just waiting for the new mirror to come. I tried several ways to see if I could still use it, but basically it didn't go through properly because I bought some welding glue from the tire. But it seems like it's not exactly in the box. So it's not here. Actually, it's basically here it is, the old mirror. So what happened is this part here in the middle it broke, so I tried to buy so it didn't work. So you can see part of the glue is still there, so I attached it to this and I put it for about 4 to 6 hours. It didn't go, just with a small move it went away. Go down. So I don't know, I tried to attach the wire back. The wire is attached to there. I don't know if I can still sell this because I think the mirror is still new. But I'm trying my best to sell it. And this is our old mirror, and this is our new mirror. So basically I think it's the same. It is the same. It's a screw. VIN number, it's a used one. It's good. So that's how to replace your Honda Odyssey Touring 2005 left side driver mirror. Thank you and have a good day.